everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have a fashion box, and I haven't had a fashion box in quite a while. So for those of you who don't know what Fashom is an online styling service. It's just like all the other ones, like Stitch Fix, Nadine West. Costs $20 to get a box sent to you, but anything you keep in your box, your $20 will be subtracted off of that so you don't lose it. It's free shipping both ways. You have 3 days to try everything on. But a little bit different about this one is you get a preview of all the items that are going to get sent to you. And I've already seen it. And there's a couple, I was like, I don't think I'm gonna like this, but we're gonna try it on, because that's the whole point of these styling boxes, is to get stuff that I wouldn't pick up myself if I was in the store. And they also have a very good discount program. If you get 3 or 4 items, I think you get 25% off. And if you keep the whole box, they give you 30% off. So that's really good. And they also support, for every box you order, you get $1 goes to the New York City Dog Charity Group. So that's really awesome that they do that. And so yeah, so let's go ahead. I've already unboxed it. I'm going to split the screen in half. We're going to try it on while I give you the description and the prices, and we'll do everything all at once. Okay, hold on. Let me get the invoice. This is the invoice. And also, here is the return mailer. Anything you don't want, you just stick back in that bag and send it back to them, and it's free. Okay, so now the first 2 items out of the box were the things I'm probably least likely to like, and I'm just like, I don't think it's me. Let me get my glasses. And that is this gray sweatshirt. Yeah, you know, she sent that picture. I'm like, all right, send it to me, but I don't think I'm gonna like it, but I'm keeping an open mind. This is a Crescent, Georgia fleece pullover, price $38. It is your basic medium light gray 2-tone sweatshirt. The only thing a little different about it is it has this like pleating right here in the front, and I don't care for that either. That it makes it unique and different, and it kind of looked okay like when you scrunched it up a little bit. But to me, my first thought was it looks like a maternity top, a sweatshirt maternity top. So it's just too boring and plain to me, and I just didn't care for that maternity top look. Okay, so the next item out was the second thing I didn't think I'd care for. And I know I'm just being so positive with this box, right? But just go with me. There's a couple other cute items after this. These are the Just Black Aaliyah Basic Mom Jeans for $65. Yeah. Okay. First off, I am old enough. I already been there, done that, did the mom jeans, and did the acid wash mom jeans too. That is a party I don't want to go back to. And I don't want to go back to shoulder pads either. Those are 2 trends. Hey, if you've never been there, and hey, if you're young, you might like an acid wash. You never experienced it. But I wore so many acid wash jeans back in the day. I'm just not feeling it. I tried them on. As you can see in the video, they're okay. But yeah, no. I just don't want to revisit the trend. That's just my personal experience. And acid wash jeans, for me, fall in that category. But I hope I'm not being mean. That's just kind of what, you know, I've already been there. I just don't want to do it. Okay, now, here's where it starts getting a little bit better. So I stopped being so negative Nancy here. This top is by CRESENT, which I like CRESENT. I've got a couple of their tops already. And this is the Kelly elbow patch top for $39. Now this one I enjoyed. I really wanted to love this one. I love the little plaid right here around the neckline. And I like the length of it. It goes really great with some leggings. As you can see, it covers and goes down pretty long. But just like the sweatshirt, the elbow patch is just, it's like a sweatshirt. It's just not my kind of thing. Like, if I wear shirts, if they are long sleeve, I scrunch them up, and then the elbow patch is going to be up here on my upper arm. And so it's just not a look that I would, you know, it's just not going to work for me. So that's gonna be a no also. Now, the next two items, guys, I kind of think I like these two. So, I don't know. I'm gonna pick one of them. I wasn't in love, but I liked them. So, we'll start with this one. And the thing I liked about this one was the unique button detail right here. This is also by Chris and Carol, and this is the Mandy Button V-neck top for $39. V-neck, yes. Love the little button details. The arm length is a good arm length. It's not too short, not too long. I like it to like cover like right there, or 3/4 are perfect for me. Now the material on this one is 95% rayon. So that kind of like, you got to be a little bit careful with rayon. It can like shrink up on you a little bit. So, but I like the color. I do. I love this, like a nice, what do you call this? Sage green maybe? I don't know if it's picking up that color, but that's the color it reminds me of. So I appreciate the details on this one. So this one's kind of a maybe. And the last one out is this one, which I truly appreciate this one. This is, okay, this one I think is definitely the #1 contender, unless I look back at the video and go, no, it doesn't look as good as you thought it looked. This is the PAPERMOON Hannah 3/4 sleeve striped top for $38. Now, 3/4 sleeve top, hello, I love that length, arm length. I'm in my kitchen a lot. I'm always pulling it up, you know, I'm washing dishes, so I can't do long sleeve too often for everyday life. And this would be an everyday top that I would wear around the house. And I appreciate the neckline. I don't have too many square necklines, so I appreciated that also. And the material on this one, I think, is more polyester than rayon. And it's a nice feeling polyester. It's not a bad polyester. Yeah, so it's 52 polyester, 45% rayon. So these two are my top contenders. I like both necklines, both different details. I don't have a square neckline and I don't have the button detail neckline. So I like these two, but I'm gonna look back at the video footage before I make up my final mind. Before I make up my mind for the final time. This top, just the elbow patch, is making it a no for me. And we already talked about the acid wash mom jeans, nope. And the basic gray sweatshirt that looks maternity, nope. So those are easy. So if you were to keep one of these, which one would you choose? And also, maybe you think I should send the whole box back and don't keep any of them, none that special. This is probably my favorite, and this is $38. So if I took the $20 styling fee, I already paid for it, I'd only be paying $18 for it. So I think this is probably going to be my biggest contender. So you guys let me know what you think. And don't forget, I think I have a referral link that if you've never tried Fashom, I think you can get $10 off your first box. I will leave all that information in the description box below too. So check that out if you're interested in trying Fashom. And the good thing about, you only order Fashom when you want. So that's also a good thing. You're not committed. You don't get one every month just because. You have to actually go in there and say, hello, I'm here. Can you please send me a box? Okay, so I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.